To the corridors of justice, where a group of human rights defenders in Kisumu want the Independent Policing Oversight Authority to review charges leveled against Kenyans arrested during the recent countrywide protests on governance. The activists claim that the police falsified charges against them.
Kisumu-based activist Boniface Akach was arraigned at a Kisumu court to answer to charges of road obstruction, contrary to Section 58C of the Kenyan Roads Act, charges that the activist, through his lawyer Dorcas Olwot, claims are falsified. Akach, along with other human rights defenders in the Lakeside city, alleged that many Kenyans arrested during the countrywide protest months ago are facing fabricated charges, hence calling upon the Independent Policing Oversight Authority to investigate the cases and review the charges.
We're looking forward to a day that we shall not have citizens being harassed and being brought before court with trumped up charges.
Demands being made by the protesters in the recent protests and the demands that the people are continuing to make are those demands for a more just and dignified society.
Elsewhere, Busia Senator Okiya Omtata has moved to court seeking to challenge the appointment of Douglas Kanja as the Inspector General of Police. In the petition, the senator argues that Kanja was not subjected to a competitive recruitment process and therefore his appointment should be declared null and void. Justice Bahati Mwamuye certified the matter as urgent and issued an order compelling the respondents in the case to collect and preserve all information and documents they or other public bodies are holding relating to Kanja's suitability, nomination, vetting, approval, and appointment. Meanwhile, 8 Kenyans and 2 Ugandans were charged with robbery with violence that occurred on night of 25th July 2024 at Patent Steel Manufacturers. They were released on a bond of 1 million shillings each or surety of the same. The next hearing will be on 5th of February 2025 at the Makadara Law Court. And testifying in the case where Uasin Gishu Senator Jackson Mandago and 2 others are accused of abuse of office and conspiracy to steal 1.1 billion shillings, victims of the Finland education saga told a Nakuru court that they missed traveling to Finland for their studies despite paying fees through the Uasin Gishu Overseas Education Trust account. The hearing of the matter continues on Thursday. The prosecution has 202 witnesses lined up.
According to the acceptance letter yenye tulikuwa tumepewa from Laura University, walikuwa hata wametutumia mpaka hadi emails kwa emails zetu. So nilikuwa nimepata kwa wameni-accept kwa student wa Laura University.
Nilitumanishwa email baadaye na shule that fees haikulipwa.
Opicho Chemtai for Prime Edition.